Arizona health leaders are continuing their push to get more people vaccinated against COVID-19. Currently, about 57% of eligible Arizonans are fully vaccinated.
Now, the person appointed to head up this task is Dr. Richard Carmona, the former Surgeon General and the new senior COVID advisor to the governor. Fox 10's Nicole Garcia joins us live with more on his strategy. I mean, he's had a lot of experience with public health, obviously.
He does have a lot of experience, John. Dr. Richard Carmona is the 17th U.S. Surgeon General, and now he is the key advisor to Governor Doug Ducey and to the Arizona Department of Health Services. He's guiding them through this pandemic. And he tells me that his approach to getting more Arizonans to their local pharmacies or doctor's offices to get the COVID vaccine is to change the narrative. Dr. Richard Carmona has the daunting task of changing the minds of those hesitant to get the COVID vaccine. One of his strategies, moving politics aside.
In my discussions with the governor, what I said was, Governor, respectfully, I think what we need to do is stay away from all of these charged words, mandates and laws. The governor agreed that he will stand side to side with me or me with him and be able to tell the public, get vaccinated, okay? Make it your decision, get vaccinated. I don't want to sound naive. It is political, but I'm staying away from it because that's not productive discussion to get people healthy.
Another strategy, getting influencers in the business, sports, and entertainment industries to become the messengers.
It's about continuing to maintain economic viability, not closing businesses down, allowing football games and basketball games and recreation.
Arizona business leaders say they're ready to work with Dr. Carmona, already using vaccine incentives, mandates, and even bringing in doctors to the office, all to protect the workforce from COVID.
And if that is spreading at work and causing people to miss work, it could cause businesses to shut down. It could cause the whole economies to shut down again. So the vaccination is key to keeping this hot economy going.
And Dr. Carmona said that there's likely about 10 to 15% of the Arizona population that just will not get the vaccine, and he recognizes that. But he's hopeful that Arizona will reach herd immunity with up to 85% of Arizonans eventually being fully vaccinated. Reporting live, I'm Nicole Garcia, Fox 10 News.